Hi, in this video we are going to see another data structure that can be used with Python, that is set. A set is a collection of items that are not ordered, similar way than dictionaries, and are defined by curly braces in a similar way than dictionary as well. But in contrast, the dictionaries here, elements are not represented by a key. So elements is just a set of items that has not order and may be used in order to put together some elements in which we don't care about the order, but we want to check whether or not some element is in this set. For example, here we have a set of numbers. We don't care about the order, so we can define this as a set, and we can perform the in operation that we have seen previously in dictionaries in order to check if an element exists in the set. For example, 5 in primes will return true since this element is here in the set, and 6 in primes returns false since this element doesn't exist. Take into account that we can convert some data structures to others, and here you have an example. We define a list of numbers, and we can perform the function set by giving these numbers in order to obtain a set of numbers. So basically here we are converting this list to a set, and what causes this is to delete each element that are repeated. So in a different way than other type of data structures, the elements of a list of a set, must be unique, so cannot be repeated. Here you have other operations that you can carry out with sets, such as union, difference, and so on. And I encourage you to visit this link in order to show how other methods and functions can be applied with sets. So, in summary, this data structure provides us some functionality in which we want to store elements with no duplicated and whose order is not important. So, at the end, we need to select that data structure that better fits our requirements. Thanks for watching.